Marhaba. Today I want to talk with you about how to pronounce the emphatic consonants in Arabic, which are sad, dad, ta, and dha. Now we call them emphatic because, as you may hear, they have a bigger, deeper quality to them than non-emphatic consonants. And what I want to demonstrate to you is how to make that quality as distinct as possible in your own speaking. And this is important because each of them has a non-emphatic cousin in the Arabic alphabet: sin, del, ta, and vel. Each of those consonants makes a sound that we have in English. The S that you hear in a word like sip, the D in dog, the T in table, or the voiced TH sound in there. Now, a content warning. I'm about to show you some somewhat graphic anatomical images. These are taken from a manual of Quranic recitation, cross-sections of mouths pronouncing the emphatic consonants. And the important thing that I want for you to notice is that in each of these images, there is a small but distinctive pocket of air at the top. Now I have news for you. That pocket, for us as learners, we need to think of it as enormous. It's a quarter-inch tall on your screen. But for us, we need to feel this immense cavern of air. Imagine putting an entire golf ball in your mouth, or the feeling we get when you try to pop maybe one too many sticks of gum, or if you've ever had a marshmallow stuffing contest with your friends. I'm not here to judge. That's a useful feeling to refer back to because we want to feel this enormous cavern. That's what we're going for. And then with that full mouth feeling, with a mouth full of air, we try to pronounce one of those consonants. So for a regular S, we could say sa, su, si. But for emphatic sad, I make a big cavern of air and say sa, su, si. Same thing with dad. Da, du, di. Non-emphatic, but emphatic with my big air, I say da, du, di. Now, this is important. Again, because we have those distinctions and because the difference between an emphatic and a non-emphatic consonant can have a really radical impact in terms of the meaning of a word. For example, khas with a non-emphatic consonant means lettuce, but khas with an emphatic sad means to belong to. Pretty distinct meanings. Or, for example, the word darb with a non-emphatic D sound means a street or a path or a trail, but darb with a dad means a smack or a hit, which could be a really radical distinction when you're asking for directions.